3 ways to make lively presentations. Number 1, speak with a lot of energy. When you speak with a lot of energy, it shows the confidence that you have in your presentation, and your body language will emit that. This way, the audience will be able to focus on your presentation much more. Second, that is, use a lot of images in your slides. Use less words, more images to create that impact in your audience, because images stay in the mind of the audience. And number 3, ask questions. Start your presentation with benefit revealing questions so that the audience thinks and listens attentively to your presentation, enabling them to understand it in a better way. If you like this video which I have just shared, then I would request you to join my private Facebook group, the link of which is given in the comment below, and please click where a lot of value added content is going to be there for you to grow in your career.